Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'll tell you guys that how you can change region of your Samsung Galaxy Store. If you want to download an application and if it is not available for your region, it will show this type of error. Samsung has region restricted some apps and watch faces. In order to fix this issue, you have to change region of your phone's Galaxy Store. First of all, use the SIM ejection tool to eject SIM card from your phone. It is necessary as Samsung uses carrier information to identify country and restrict some apps in that region. Also, if you're using eSIM, then make sure to be in airplane mode and turn on just Wi-Fi of your phone. After that, you have to use a VPN. Here I'm using Surfshark VPN, but you can use any of your choice. Connect to your desired country. For example, here I'm connecting to the US. After connecting, you have to clear cache and data of Galaxy Store. You can do that by long pressing on Galaxy Store icon, like this. And now, under storage, clear data and cache. Now you have to reopen Galaxy Store. Wait for some time and region of your Galaxy Store will be changed. You can buy different apps and watch faces. Now I'll tell you a trick that you can use to keep this region for a longer time. Because if you turn off VPN and insert your SIM card, Galaxy Store will again go back to the same country. To fix this, just open Galaxy Store and tap on recent apps present here. Now long press on the Galaxy Store icon and choose keep open. In this way, Galaxy Store will remain open with your desired country or region in the background. Don't worry, it will not drain battery life of your phone. I have tested it myself and it works pretty well. Now you can put back your SIM card and turn off VPN. As you can see that my SIM is now working, and if I try to open Galaxy Store, it has the same region that I selected in VPN. So guys, that was all about for today's episode. I hope you liked it, and if you want to see more handy tips and tricks, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.